Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on Cardano situation for 28th of November 2023, aiming and looking for discovering what's happening right now in the crypto space. Why is it decreasing over the last day back to $1.4 trillion market cap? Well, there's two different categories of traders that are taking the spotlight these days. Number one is the one that has always been waiting for bad news, or for something correlated with uncertainty, which is the SEC's lawsuits against Kraken or Coinbase issues with regulatory problems. You have the ex-CEO CZ out here. So a lot of the things that are falling into that sector, they've been waiting for this. They're looking for such news and they would like to monetize it. Now, most of the time, the markets will not give them the opportunity that easily to correlate something as a negative news around the market with a market dump. You know, the trading is not that easy. You get positive news and the market is pumping. You get negative news and the market is dumping. If it would be that easy, I'm telling you, the whole world would basically leverage trade right now and become billionaire in a matter of a few months. It is not the reality, guys. So there is no correlation of determination between the news, the type of the news, and the outcome as a market movement, whether we talk about short term, medium term, and long term. Beautiful. Just like you see great projects out there performing very well on the services side, yet the price section is not going in the same direction. So before we get into Cardano's discussion, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel as well. And by the way, you can basically check out the one-on-one coaching program that I have, which is running intensively for anyone out there that would like to become a professional trader. I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. This is a comprehensive program aiming to make sure you guys are on the right direction. At the same time, we have the completely done for you trading that you can participate. It's our ChatGPT bot here, which is helping us, and it's part of the mission. No prior fee, only commission from the profits made. I'm going to talk about that one at the end as well. And you can, by the way, schedule up a free Calendly call with me where we can discuss more on the topic. So let's see what's happening with Cardano, guys. Well, we're trying to survive in the highs with the market conditions that are not the very favorable side right now, yet it's still nowhere near to be scared about the situation. As you can see, we have a very, very clear breakout, just like I said in the past days, of the environment trending line that has been out there for many days. 537 days, something suppressing you. You just broke out. The breakout of something like that is not going to stop after 22%. So definitely, historically speaking, this has the ability to cross 40% after the breakout, which is how the environment line breakouts are most of the time performing. 37% basically will be the top of a very strong supply structure that right now is situated in an active way, which means that the encircled area is filled up, guys, with 3 different points that are all considered key levels of resistance, and they're forming right there a group of action towards the price action. So that's the golden pocket, which is in between the 2 horizontal black lines. Then there is a very strong supply level situated on 43 cents. It's coming from 12th of May 2022, so it has a very long history as well and a bunch of confirmations on the charts. Take a look at that. I mean, every time you've touched this, you've been denied, which is also basically the horizontal level and a supply level that is most likely attached to the crypto winter, the end of the bear market, and more of an accumulation stage. Get out of that and you have the ability then to accelerate basically the rally towards 57 cents, 58 cents, that kind of top, which is correlated with the 59, 60 cents mark. Anything from 57 up to 60 cents at that time will be on heavy pressure into that wick right there. So that would be the first target that we're considering after we successfully break out of the encircled area. By going into the first target, the pullback is expected, yet that should be another stage of preparation for the upcoming one, which is at $64, and then you completely get into a price discovery area of liquidity. Price discovery area of all-time high is something else. because you must be an all-time high. Price discovery of liquidity is basically exactly such scenarios and situations when you're going into a market direction where you had a crash before. So a price action that is a crash, it looks exactly like that. That's the one it refers to. And this is basically where we would enter with a lot of force and power straight towards the order block at the top. 90 cents would be the first target with that. So this is the current situation for Cardano. Whatever about the downside? What do you guys think around the downside of this topic? Should I talk about that one as well? Well, as soon as it sits on the table, even if it has 1%, 0.1%, or 99% chances to appear, I'll talk about it. The downside effect is quite simple. You have a support coming in at 34 cents, which is acting as a demand area. Plus, on top of that, previous resistance will act as a very, very strong supply for the current situation. It will become a support trending line of the environment, and that is situated somewhere around 30 cents. So we have support coming in at 10 and 20% away from the current price, which is quite far away. That's right. And I would prefer to see a market movement up to the 46 cents. Have a fight going on right there, because the breakout is not going to be easy out of the encircled area when you need to deal with 3 different strong opponents that have been building their that specific moment for a while already. So it's not something that you can take spontaneously and fight with them without having them on their preparation. It's clear they've been prepared for that, and the fight is going to be strong. On the other side, for those of you that are expecting some external news that will take Cardano into a massive area, then this would be a great phase basically to push towards the 50 cents. Get out of that, and this way we're going to have an easy breakout of this encircled area, which is very, very tough, guys. Now that's pretty much all. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, at the same time ask me anything in the comments area. By the way, if you care about education, if you value trading and believe that by improving your skills and knowledge you can become a better trader, make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching with me intensively, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, just like I said, or participate in the done-for-you trading through API trading permission, only commission from the profits made, commissions are paid by you, everything is straightforward and simple. So that's pretty much all, guys. Looking forward to it. All the resources can be found in the description area and in the comments area of this video. We talk to you soon.